another tutorial, an interesting tutorial today. Today is October 31, 2011, 9 a.m. here in the Philippines. So let's start. The title of my tutorial is Uno Mas Tutorial Multi-ID Lagger VIP Edition. So let's do this fast and easy. Okay? So first you must have a bogey which is a multi-ID Lagger VIP Edition. Okay? Now see, I've opened the Supra and I've opened the Poggy. As you can see, I will test this one with an ID. Okay, Marisa Salinas 1989. As you can see, it's got token. Okay, I will put in two different IDs in here. Okay, and I will put in this one in here, the victims. Okay, wait, I will put something in here. Okay, delete. I will put as you can see, it's got token letter here, Machine Rex and Dinas. As you can see, it's in Supra. It's already, and the new ID is Maria Sal. Copy paste. Yeah. Copy. Copy and paste here. This one, so put into here. So I will push in Lagger ID here. Okay, second one. Okay, okay, pushing layer. As you can percent 40%. Okay, okay, okay. Both sides. It's counting. Okay. Actually, guys, even the lock is sigma. Okay. I will add this one. Can you see? Now let's see if it will get. Oh, it will already lock. Counting. Okay. Let's just wait. It's still locking. 100%. Okay.